Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Gavin from the Average Cubers here. Today I'm reviewing 2 Waifu Cyclone boys, 1 Dayan Zanchi, and 1 Moyu Pryaminx. First of all, I have the Moyu Pryaminx. I really like how the way it feels. It has ball bearings, and it just gives it a nice clicking feel. So, it's really nice, and I'll do a solve for you. I'll be right back and I'll mix it up. Okay, it's all shuffled up, and now I'm just going to observe real quick. Okay. Keep in mind, I'm not very fast, and I'm also I'm solving through a viewfinder, so that's kind of awkward. Oh. Huh. Okay, well, on to the next cube. Next, we have a Dayan Zanchi. I peeled off the sticker because it was just already coming off. So I'm not a very, I'm not much of a 3x3 solver. I mean, my fastest time is 32 seconds, so it's not bad. But I'll shuffle it up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I scrambled it up and I'm just gonna do a quick solve. Okay, observe. Easy cross. I'm not a fast 3x3 solver, just keep that in mind. Okay, so don't hate. I'm gonna do better. I do, it's hard to commentate and solve, but I do 2 look OLO and PLO, so. This is really bad. I'll probably speed this up so I don't know why I'm talking. I messed up. Oh, on to the next cube. Next up we have the Cyclone Boys Feiwu, and I heard it's really good because it's coreless, so there's less friction, and like the cubies don't rub against each other. So I'm gonna do a quick shuffle and I'll be right back. Okay, so. In all seriousness, guys, this is the Cyclone Boys Feiwu. We decided to do that because my friend bought an extra one and it was kind of funny. But overall, it's a good cube. It's kind of loud, so like doing this in the middle of the night, like a lot of cubers do, is 11 o'clock. This would be kind of loud, but yeah, it's a good cube. I mean, 180s. Corner cutting, it line to line, pretty much, that's it. And yeah, I guess we'll do a solve on this and I'll mix it up for real this time and be right back. Okay, it's all mixed up, then I'm gonna observe and then we'll be good to go. Crap. I'm doing really bad. It's hard to do this through the viewfinder. Because of course that's what I'm solving through. I'm sorry I'm raising up, it's just because of the viewfinder and it's really tricky. I guess that goes slow. I'm probably talking really quiet right now. What the? I'm so good. Like I said, I'm not the fastest for this. I don't know this algorithm. Some algorithms I don't know. So don't hate, just appreciate. Right? Yes. Yeah. Okay, well, those are all the cubes, and I'll do one final review thing, I guess. And I'll be right back. So those were all the 3.5 cubes that I reviewed today. And yeah, I guess they're pretty good. This was around $11. This was around $12. This was $5, I think? 6. Okay. And this was also 6. Well, I mean, they're decently priced. So that's it for the video, and I'll see you all next time.